Hey guys, FJ Cuts here and welcome back to another video. And yes guys, it is another hair transformation for you guys. And as you can see, my client has had a haircut from somewhere else, and all we're doing here today is just we're trimming the top and then we're gonna perm the hair on top. So as you can see, I am sectioning it and I'm just trimming off the ends because he wanted like an inch and a bit off. So you want to make sure that you actually get it even, so when you're doing the perm it's very easy to get in the rods, because when your hair's a little bit uneven guys, putting in the rods could be a tough one. It could come out of the rod, so make sure it is even. And guys, I didn't get to record a before b-roll, but this is all you guys will see. This video is more like on how the process will be, so I've released many videos on how to do perms guys, so if you do have any more questions, just comment down below or just message me on my socials. It is in the description, so you could buy all the tools that I use in the videos. It's all in the description as well, and you can book for a perm. I am based in London, so let me know if you wanna come down guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. If you like this video, make sure you guys give it a like. It will help the channel a lot guys. So we're just going to continue trimming the hair across his head. There is a lot of hair when you are trimming, but I'm going to make sure everything is even. And guys, in this section I am sectioning the back off. With my methods, I do like to start from the back and then work my way from the right to the left. Everyone has a different technique. I did find this out from one of my other clients who came by, and he told me his stylist does it differently, but obviously I just told him, yeah, each to their own. There's no specific way you should be doing each stuff. I just find it easier to just section everything from the right to the left. And guys, you can see here I am like observing the sections I've done to make sure that it is enough to go on the rods and it's not too much hair to go on the rods. So just take that into consideration, and then you want to section it out evenly so your curls come out equal or like the same texture. And now I'm just wrapping the papers across the hair, folding the sides together to make sure all the hair is clipped. And as you can see, the hair wasn't damp enough, so I just sprayed a little bit of water, put the rod behind, clipped the ends and rolled it back. Now you want to put that rubber strap on the hair where it's getting pulled from. If you put it on the other side, it will kind of flop. So if you want to get down to the roots, you want to make sure that that rubber band is on the other side, like away from where you're pulling from. So the same thing, put the end papers on, pull it to the end, and you want to put the rod behind it. Here, as you can see guys, I'm just sorting out the paper, make sure all the hair is covered. Take your time guys, there is no rush. You don't want to make some mistakes and the hair just starts coming out, so make sure you fold that hair in, all the hair is inside, clip at the end and roll it back. I'm gonna repeat the steps guys all across the head. It's pretty simple once you start getting used to it guys. At the start you might find it hard, but as you can see there guys, I'm always combing the hair and then putting it in the end paper. This will allow any knots or any hairs that's not straight to like stretch out fully, so it's going in the rod perfectly. So when you're putting in the rods guys, you could do it forwards or backwards. When I'm rolling it backwards guys, it gives a little bit of more volume. Same thing once you've done one row. You want to move over across, section it again to the same size. And as you guys see here, I am combing it through, looking at the section, and I'm just going to clip it again with some paper. Some of you asked me, what is the paper for? The paper is to hold the hair so it can go in the rods. If you guys do this without any perm paper or any paper to hold the ends, it's not going to go in the rods. So that's what it's for, if you guys are wondering. As you guys can see, I have done the whole right side, and with like the same process, I have just done it in rows, as you guys can see. When you get to the left side, it can get a little bit tricky because all of the rods on the right side could start blocking the areas that you want to do. So you want to just take your time, still section it, and then just put it in the rods as you know, as you would. Alright guys, with a perm, sometimes you don't get all the hairs in the rod. So what I'm doing is I'm just cleaning out, so at least after the perm you don't see any straight hairs. So any straight hairs, get rid of it and just trim it off. And now I'm just applying some Vaseline on his forehead because this area could get a little bit sensitive with the solution. So just rub a bit of petroleum jelly or Vaseline, and this will just smoothen things up for him. Alright guys, after that you want to fold up some kitchen roll, I think around 4 sheets depending on which brand you go for. This one was 2 sheets, and I just folded it into like a headband and I just roll it across his head. So underneath the perm rods is you want to tuck in this paper, which will like stop any perm solutions from dripping down. And I am using the Goldwell Top Form Bioco perm kit, and this kit comes with the perm solution and the neutralizer. Alright guys, I've just folded down the towel and I just wrapped it around his head, so at least any solution that does come down, it gets caught by the towel. Alright guys, we are using the Perm solution here, and what I'm doing here is I'm going across each rod, making sure every hair strand that's in the rod is fully saturated. Guys, if you are doing this at home, make sure you do order like 2 of the Perm kits, just in case you run out of one solution. But obviously this can depend on how much hair you're trying to get permed. With his head, 1 kit was enough. Alright guys, after you've let it drip for about 30 seconds, you want to take off the towel and you want to catch any more solution that's dripping, and then you want to remove that band of kitchen roll that we folded up, and you want to put a new one on there, but start wiping off any excess solution that's dripping down. Now I just covered it with the head cap so I can let it do its job inside. Alright guys, you guys want to leave that solution in guys for a whole hour, especially for tight curls. You want to leave it for an hour. Some perms for like wavy curls, you could leave it in for 20 minutes and use some heat, but in this process we did not use any heat, that's why we left it in for an hour. And then you want to rinse it off with some water guys, and then you want to put in the neutralizer straight after. The neutralizer will stay in for 10 minutes, and then you want to rinse it off again. Guys, all the instructions is in the description down below, so if you guys need some more further detailed step down breakthrough, it is in the description down below. And then you want to rinse it for the final time, making sure everything has been rinsed through, so you get any solution that's left on the hair gone, because it is going to be stinking for the 2 days where he can't wash his hair. Now you just want to dry off any excess water that's still dripping. And guys, I want you guys to take this in 2 days. You cannot wash it after getting it rinsed off from that moment on. And now you just want to remove all the rods, and then your perm is done. Alright guys, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. This was another perm transformation, as you guys can see. I didn't get to show you guys a look of this when it was dry, so this is straight after the perm. It will get a little bit more volume after the 2 days. I have many videos coming out for you guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned and subscribe. But it's been FJ guys, peace.